High Growth's hacked. Did you know that the average American pays over $1,000 in credit card interest every year? Credit cards can be a powerful tool, but they can also become a dangerous trap if not used wisely. In this video, I'll explore why credit cards are so tempting and how to avoid falling into the debt trap. What exactly is APR? APR stands for annual percentage rate. It's the interest rate charged on your balance if you don't pay it off in full. Let's say you have a $1,000 balance with a 20% APR. If you don't pay it off immediately, you'll end up paying an additional $200 in interest over the course of a year. That's why understanding APR is crucial. It can save you thousands in the long run. So why do so many people fall into the credit card trap? Here are two key psychological factors. 1. Present bias. Our brains are wired to prioritize immediate gratification over long-term benefits. This makes us more likely to buy things now, even if we can't afford them later. 2. Mental accounting. We tend to view credit limits as extra money instead of debt. This leads to overspending and accumulating interest charges. Understanding these biases is the first step toward better credit card management. Let me show you a real-life example. Imagine carrying a $1,000 balance with a 20% APR. If you only make minimum payments of $25 per month, it will take you nearly 6 years to pay off the balance and cost you over $1,800 in total interest. Now imagine multiplying this scenario across multiple credit cards. Before you know it, you're drowning in debt. But don't worry, we'll cover how to avoid this trap next. Here are 3 actionable tips to help you avoid the credit card trap. 1. Pay your bill in full every month. This avoids interest charges entirely. 2. Choose a card with 0% intro APR. This gives you time to pay off purchases without accruing interest. 3. Track your spending carefully. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your expenses and stay within your means. By following these steps, you can use credit cards as a tool instead of letting them control your finances. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial insights. Share your thoughts below. Do you think credit cards are a friend or a foe?